Hello YouTube, my name's Steve and welcome to Castle Combe Circuit. I've had the great privilege to be invited down here by EBC Brakes to do a little testing in the car. You know, I got the 300mm EBC kit, so they've invited me down. It's a great privilege. I've managed to go out in my car, do a few laps. Also, the legend Jake Hill is with us.
Hi everyone.
And he's been out in the EBC Fiesta, and later we're going to get to have a little bit of fun driving out on track together and getting some camera footage. So what did you think of that when you drove it, Jake?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, as Steve said, we've both been out this morning in our own cars and just sort of see what it's like, see what the weather's like, and it's a bit wet out there, isn't it?
Yes,
but it's a little bit sideways. Definitely had a few moments, but yeah, really enjoying driving the EBC Fiesta. The last time I drove this car was back in March, and you know, it was just a bog standard road car then. We'd literally just picked it up from buying it, and we bought it here through the EBC Brakes at it, and it was really good. We really enjoyed it. It was a great little chassis, and they said they were going to go away, do a load of modifications to it, and eventually obviously give it away. That was the plan, to charity. So I mean, it's such a great privilege to come down here and explore and have fun with this little Fiesta. You know, it's been a brilliant little car. I've enjoyed driving it so much, and looking forward to seeing what it's going to be like against yours, Steve.
Well, it's going to beat me easily with you driving, that's for sure.
Yeah, I mean, there's a look. To be fair, we must say there's a bit of a power difference. There's about what, 100 horsepower difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a fair chunk.
And there's about 100 skill difference in driving ability as well.
So yeah, but we're really looking forward to going out and driving it and see what we think.
Yeah,
Let's
can't wait.
do it.
Unbelievable track experience I've had. Jake Hill is behind and we're going to do some laps. Wow. So the plan is I'm going to do a few laps in front, then we're going to switch and I'm going to follow him. Obviously he's reduced his pace massively for me, so what an experience. Let's do this. I've got no fun get drift on. Hard, see? but I'm trying. Incident, boys! All the healers holding into there. That's not going to be it. That was a nice one. Come on! Gets to do this.
All right, let's do this. So we've got Steve behind us in his Fiesta ST as well. So we're just going to have a bit of fun together, a bit of a play, do some skids. Yeah, see what this EBC Fiesta is like going around Castle Combe. It's got some power, to be fair. That is pretty quick. Okay. So the first thing I noticed is just how good the diff is coming out of the corner. So much grip, even in the wet, really. You know, it really is good. So much traction, you know, it really bites into the floor, even on the wet. We're on Michelin PS4 tyre. So again, a pretty good tyre for the wet anyway on a track day. Pretty nicely balanced. You can really play with the rear of the car, that's for sure. Brakes are good. At the moment we've got the yellow stuff pad in there with their own brake setup. So that's going pretty well. Steve's having some good slides behind me. Stays with you long enough, you can predict what it's going to do. You know, it doesn't just snap straight away in these wet conditions. much power compared to, you know, Steve's car. Steve's is like stage 2 map, I believe, so it's got some power for sure, but this is really packing. I think we're at about 350 horsepower or something, so really nice amount. Draws up to that, you know, that lightly tuned ST so well. It's got so much power, this thing, but it manages to put it down. You know, that diff is working an absolute treat that's in the car. Back from him just so he can have a bit of a slide by himself. It's developed so much from what was the standard car that we drove first time. You know, back in March when we did our standard EBC video, it was just a standard Fiesta. And now it's come on to be this little pocket rocket. And wow, what a car it is. So much fun. Whoever wins this car is in for a right treat. Loving it, absolutely loving it.
That was welcome. Got your nerves, Shankman.
There we go. Job done. Great fun. Hey everyone, so we have just come back from our first sort of drive against each other almost on the circuit, and well, to be fair, there's a bit of difference in power, isn't it? That's for sure. I mean,
Yeah.
It's really greasy conditions, so the car's moving around quite a lot. Brakes didn't fade, really good, having still running the yellow stuff on this damp day. But yeah, from my side in the EBC Fiesta, great little weapon, absolutely loved it. It's more than quick enough in a straight line. The diff is working brilliantly, and again, most importantly, those brakes are stopping so well. But Steve, how did you find yours?
It's brilliant. The brakes are fantastic. I had no fade, but let's be honest, there's a bit of disparity in our skill level, so I'm not going to strain the brakes like you in these damp conditions. So yeah, my brakes are fine. Really enjoyed it, and having a little battle together. I know you slowed down so that I could keep with you for couple of seconds, but it was brilliant. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Most importantly, we're having fun, aren't we? You know,
Yeah.
I mean, that's what these little cars are all about, and you know, having the braking power to be able to enjoy the car's potential.
Yeah, definitely.
Is, that's what it's all about, you know. And yeah, it's great. You know, I know you're a touring car fan, and
Big touring car
exactly.
fan.
You know, it's cool to be able to just be door to door and just have a bit of
Yeah,
fun. Just,
definitely.
You know, just driving cars just because we enjoy it.
Yeah,
So.
this is a surreal moment for me to be with a British touring car driver, and then you've gone around on track at the same time, and
Yeah.
you're passing each other. Obviously, he's letting me pass, but just an amazing experience for EBC to allow me to come to show off my brakes and to also get myself a drive in their car. They let me actually drive that as well. That's fantastic. That whole package just drives amazingly.
Yeah, it'd be interesting actually. What do you think is the biggest difference between your Fiesta and
Yeah.
the EBC one? What do you reckon the biggest thing for you is?
The tyres on that are fantastic. They're PS4s,
Yeah.
so the grip is much better.
Yeah,
The brakes got brilliant feel, but I mean it's much of a muchness because we both got a big brake kit.
Yeah.
Obviously there's difference in size. Maybe you'd see a difference in the dry weather, but in these conditions, felt great. Handling's brilliant on that. So good out of the corners,
yeah.
and it's just a good overall package. What they put together there is. I'd be quite happy to do a car swap if EBC would do it, but I can't see that. I can't see that happening anytime soon.
No, I mean, you know, the fact that this car's going to be able to, you know, to buy as going off to raffle, you know, and it's what a car to win, you know. I mean, this is going to be a track car that you can use, or just a really cool road car. So either way, whatever you choose to do with it, very capable, isn't it?
Definitely.
And,
Somebody's going to be very happy
Indeed.
with that car.
so yeah, but we're going to carry on enjoying these little weapons and just having fun for the rest of the day. But thank you very much for watching.
Cheers.